Tesla Model 3 rear vents sometimes stop working due to various reasons. Let's explore what's happening behind the scenes. The main causes include software bugs in the climate control system, physical blockages in the air ducts, and calibration mismatches between sensors and actuators. Most problems since 2024 are related to software and can be fixed with over-the-air updates that Tesla sends to your vehicle. Older Model 3 vehicles from before 2024 may still have these problems, while newer models include hardware improvements and better software integration. At its core, the issue is that the vehicle's climate control software occasionally mismanages how air flows to the rear vents. The first step is ensuring your Tesla's software is current. Tesla has released several updates, including V11, V12, and patches up to December 2025, specifically addressing rear vent issues. Go to Software in your car's settings and check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your car to apply the changes. Many users have found this alone resolves the problem. OTA updates have reduced HVAC-related service visits by 40% since 2024. Confirm that rear climate control is enabled and properly adjusted. On the touchscreen, go to Climate and then Rear Climate. Make sure the rear climate is toggled on and that the fan intensity is set to a reasonable level. Sometimes these settings can be inadvertently turned off or reset, especially after software updates. Make sure airflow is not directed only to the front. A soft reset can resolve temporary software glitches affecting the HVAC system. To perform a soft reset, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel. Wait until the touchscreen turns off and then restarts. This process doesn't delete any settings and can often restore functionality to the rear vents if the issue is software related. Wait for the Tesla logo to appear on screen before releasing the scroll wheels. For advanced troubleshooting, you can access the hidden service menu. Use with caution as incorrect adjustments can affect vehicle performance. First, power off the car completely. Then, press and hold both the brake pedal and the shift pedal. While holding both pedals, turn the car back on. Navigate to the HVAC section in the service menu to check for error codes. Check for error codes such as HVAC fan error or duct calibration failed. Resetting HVAC parameters here has fixed the issue for some users, as seen in Reddit community case studies. Ensure you know what to do before attempting, as incorrect adjustments can affect vehicle performance. Physical obstructions can block airflow in the rear vents. Inspect the vents and ducts for dust, debris, or small objects that may have accumulated over time. Common blockages include dust particles and debris that can restrict the air passages. In one documented case, pet hair completely blocked a rear duct. For visible blockages, use a vacuum cleaner to gently suction out debris from the vent openings. Alternatively, compressed air can blow out loose particles. If you suspect a blockage deep within the duct system, professional cleaning by a Tesla service center is recommended. Tesla Service Bulletin SB24-03 specifically addresses cases of pet hair blocking rear ducts. If the troubleshooting steps you've tried so far don't resolve the rear vent issue, it's time to contact Tesla Service. This is particularly important when you see persistent error codes or suspect there's a hardware problem. Tesla service centers are equipped with specialized tools, including the HVAC calibration mode, which helps them diagnose and fix airflow problems precisely. When you contact Tesla, be prepared to provide a detailed description of the problem and all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This helps the technicians understand the issue quickly. Tesla's overall responsiveness in handling these types of issues has been rated 7 out of 10 by Consumer Reports, noting that they provide faster fixes compared to traditional automakers. Tesla is continuously improving its HVAC systems through software and hardware refinements. Future trends include greater AI integration in full self-driving software, which could preemptively adjust rear vents based on occupancy sensors. Tesla is also moving towards modular HVAC systems that are easier to update wirelessly. Keep an eye out for future software updates and improvements that may further enhance the reliability of your Model 3's rear vents. By 2028, EV HVAC systems are predicted to be 50% more reliable due to AI diagnostics.